Which plant is in the picture? Sunflower. Canon, Minolta, Hitachi, and Pentax are brand names used primarily with this type of product. Cameras. Who is the inventor of Windows operating system? Microsoft. Nyctophobia is the fear of what? Darkness. The lotus is the national symbol of which country? India. What is the pictured body art originating in ancient India called? Mendi. What is an omnivore? Something that eats both plants and animals. Which scientist is well known for his theory of relativity? Albert Einstein. What country is home to the spring festival called Holi? India.